Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Meanwhile, all the others are joining. We will start this. Yes, we will start the class. So, I'm going to share the screen and open the questions that I have asked. These 10 questions I have given for the revision of fire, friend, and foe. So, who's going to ask the others? Divyansh is here.
Ma'am, can I answer the first question?
Can I?
Manas wants to ask. Netik. Manas, you're going to ask others, okay? And Natik wants to give the answer for the first one. So, yes, Manas, ask the question from Natik, the first one.
Okay. Natik, what is early map outlook for fire?
What is early man's
What is
outlook
early
for
man's
outlook
The
for
early
fire?
man outlook for fire was
outlook for
that he
fire?
was scared of fire. They might have seen volcanoes or lightning before they started using fire, and hence knew that it was dangerous and powerful.
Okay, correct. Then second
Ma'am, now
question,
I'm gonna ask from Sonam Kumari.
Sonam Kumari, you're there? Sonam, please, yes, say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Okay, ask.
Question second. Give
Mm.
some examples of fuel. Sonam?
Kerosene,
Right. And
kerosene, diesel,
diesel, correct.
and
And there are many examples: kerosene, diesel.
Ma'am, can I give?
ma'am, can I give?
Wait, let her answer. She knows.
Petrol. Ma'am, petrol.
Petrol,
Ma'am, wood,
Petrol.
coal, cooking gas, and
coal,
coal
wood.
are
Yes,
some forms
yes,
of fuel as
yes,
written in the chapter.
yes. Okay, correct. Right. So when the one whom Manas is asking, let that child answer. Okay. Then everyone is going to get a chance. Okay. Right. So don't talk in between. Otherwise, the one who is answering will get disturbed. Right. So then question number 3. Manas asks the others, and the
Ma'am,
one question I'll be asking you, Manas. Okay.
okay, ma'am, no problem.
Okay. Then question number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
Ma'am,
Pick up the
from
child.
Astha.
Huh. From Astha. Astha, you there?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
ma'am, how has the discovery of fire helped the mankind?
Hmm. Answer for this, Astha.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there are many ways for help the mankind. First is that fire is used for making food,
Hmm.
and fire is also used for heat the rooms in winters.
Hmm.
And ma'am, that much.
That's it. It is for fueling up
It
the
is
engines.
cooling up.
Ma'am, can
Yes, it is. Fire is used as fueling up the engines also.
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And they keep us warm.
and to
They keep
for
us warm.
sorry.
Ma'am, to create heat in winters.
Yes, and we
And they keep us warm in
the
winters.
fire keeps us warm. Especially is the most important discovery, invention of fire is that we use it for cooking food. Okay, apart from this we use it as a fueling up the engine, right? And we use it for various other purposes like welding is also done with the fire. Yes, welding
Yes,
metals, giving shapes to the metals. Yes. Yes, all
Yes.
when all the glasses, the glass that we use cannot be made without the help of fire. We know, you know that. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
And
So
we heat it to give the shape.
yes, to give its shape. So fire is one of the invention that has helped us in various ways. So yes, it has really a boon for mankind. So but it should be, as I told you, it is a very good servant but a very bad master. So if it goes beyond control, then it must be, it will become very dangerous for the mankind. Right? So Asta has given the answer. Next is Manas.
Ma'am, Ashmit.
Ashmit.
Ma'am, question number 3. Ma'am, why gaps are left between the buildings during the construction?
Yes.
The gaps are left between the buildings during construction because to prevent fire.
Yes, to prevent the spread of fire. So the one, if by chance the one building has caught the fire, it should not go to the other one, isn't it?
Other one. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, correct answer. Then Manas, who's the next one?
And now Arya Rai.
Arya Rai, you are there? Arya, are you there? Arya Rai, she's not responding. Okay, anyone else?
Ma'am, Harshvardhan.
Harsh, you are there?
Ma'am, what?
Divya wants to give
Yes,
the
ma'am.
answer. Okay, ask Divya first, then Harsh will give the next answer.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what happened in earlier times when ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, 10th question.
Wait,
Fine.
Ask Divya the question number 6. What is the role of firefighter?
Okay. Ma'am, what is the role of firefighter, Divya?
What firefighters do, Divya?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, someone else answer. Harsh, can you give the answer for this one?
Ma'am, question number 6.
Yes, yes. Divya, you're not answering. Wait, Harsh. Do you know the answer for this one? Question number 6.
Ma'am, where's the from me?
Divya is having a network issues. Okay, Harsh, you can answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the role of a firefighter? Ma'am,
Yes.
the role of a firefighter is to make sure that no fire remains after he has encountered any accident, and ma'am, he has to rescue people from the building that is on fire, and
Hmm.
and ma'am, he has to make sure that everyone is safe.
Okay, correct, Harsh. You have really written in a proper way. Okay. Then this is the role of the firefighter. And next question goes to,
Ma'am, can you ask me a question, ma'am, please?
yes, Manas, mention three ways that by which fire can be put off.
Ma'am, put off.
Hmm.
Ma'am, first is fire extinguishing.
Fire extinguisher.
Ma'am, second one is blanket.
Okay, why people throw damp blanket on the on any object which is burning?
Can I tell?
Wait.
Because no oxygen can be in contact with the fire and fire will
Yes,
put
so
off.
immediately if we throw a damp blanket on the object which is burning, it stops the supply of the oxygen, and thus the result is the fire stop igniting. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so next,
Ma'am,
and
third one is, ma'am, if there is no electrical object, then you can throw water.
if there is no oil also, because oil starts
Yes,
floating on the surface of the water, which
yes, ma'am.
is helping in spreading the fire. So it is also a
Yes,
bad idea. The two things, if the fire is caused by the two reasons. First is if the oil is there as a fuel which is burning, or if there is an electrical appliances, we should not use water to put the fire off. Okay, so we have to use fire extinguisher in that case. Okay, so that will help in putting off the fire. Right, so
Okay,
next
ma'am.
question is from
Ma'am, Linur.
Linur is here in the meeting. Linur, are you there? All those children who have joined the meeting late, please give the attendance in the message box. Okay.
Ma'am, Linur has left.
Linur has left. Linur left. Okay, maybe she must be having some problem. That's why. Any other child?
Ma'am,
Yes,
Annapurna.
ma'am.
Ashmi, can you give the answer, please? Ashmi is there.
Yes, ma'am. Of which question?
Question number uh, 10. What happened in earlier times when fire broke out?
Ma'am, can I?
Let her answer. She will. I am giving 1 minute to the children who are going to give the answer. Yes, you think over it, Ashmi, and then you can answer. Yes, please. Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when
What happened in earlier times when fire broke out? What do people do? They don't have a tap at home. They don't have a running water at home. So what they do?
can I?
नहीं नहीं,
Some
let her
people
answer, beta.
form
Wait,
human
Arsh.
chains and pass buckets of water from well or pond.
Yes, yes. So if they form a human
Chain.
chain.
Ma'am, human chain.
Yes, they form a human chain to fetch the water from the source,
From the source.
and then they, yes, they
And
pass it on to the
they pass it on to the
burning house.
chain and burning house. Pass the buckets and put off the fire.
Yes, to put off the blaze.
Put off.
Okay, to put off the blaze. So this is how they used to stop the fire, by forming a human chain. So Ashmi, you have to revise all the things. Okay, right? Can
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can you again answer this one, please?
Ma'am, the same question.
Same question. Yes.
People form human chains and pass buckets of water from well or pond to the blaze.
Okay, correct. Correct. Okay, next is next.
Ma'am, ma'am, 1 minute. I am finding.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, Divya.
Divya is having network issues. Don't ask her right now because she might not get the. She is listening but no, cannot respond because of network issues.
No, ma'am, I can.
You can. So I asked you earlier. You didn't reply. That's why I thought you must be having.
Ma'am,
Okay.
actually, your voice was not coming. That's
Okay.
why I was not able to understand.
Okay. Okay. So and right now
Okay,
I'm giving you
right
one
now
question.
I'm giving you one question. Arya can give the answer.
Arya Mittal is here. I know. I'll ask her later on. First, I'll let Divya give the answer. Okay, Divya, what is Flashpoint?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait, I'm asking Divya. Then later on you can tell Annapurna. Wait for a while.
Okay, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
Ma'am, the flash point of a fuel is the temperature at
Hmm.
any fuel begins to burn. It is called a flash point.
Yes, at the time that when the fuel catches the fire, that point is called flash point. Okay, can you now Annapurna give me the answer of question number 5? How fire is a good servant?
Ma'am, fire is a good servant because it helps us in many ways. That if we feel if in the winters we can get fire
Hmm.
by in a good way, we
Hmm.
can make ourselves with it. We can make food when we can make food with the fire,
Hmm.
and we can use it in ways. That's why the fire is a good servant for us.
Very good. Very good.
Very
Okay.
good. Very.
Yes.
So can I ma'am, can yes. I explain it?
Netik.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, please. You want to give the same answer?
Ma'am, Ma'am, fire is a
Mm-hmm.
good servant until
You
it
want to give the same answer?
yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, fire is a good servant because it helps in various ways. It helps us to cook food. It helps us in burning fuel. It helps to make pots, and it is a good servant until until it will become dangerous for us. If it will be become uncontrollable, it will become foe for us.
Okay, correct, correct. Right. Next is Arya Mittal is here now in the meeting. Arya, you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Arya, give the answer for question number 8. Mention three things that helps the fire to ignite.
The three things which help the fire to ignite are fuel, oxygen, and
Fuel, oxygen, and the third one is flashing point,
Temperature.
temperature. Yes.
temperature.
Yes, if the
Yes.
temperature is high, and the third point we can easily observe during summers. So during summers we hear a lot of accidents happen due to high temperature, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so we see in the news that certain building or shop has caught fire because of short circuit, because of high temperature, and that occurs due to high temperature, high weather, and
Weather.
it is easier for the fire uh, be ignite, and that is why,
Ma'am,
and
And
most
that
of
is
the
why,
accidents
and
happen
most of the
during summers.
accidents happen during.
ma'am, this accident happened in the previous year also, ma'am, in Jindal
Yes,
company.
yes. In summers, generally in summers we used to see such accidents just because of high temperature, and flashing point is easier to be caught by the fire, and it helps the fuel to catch the fire easily. That is why it is very frequent in summers. Okay, so Arya is also given. Anyone else is left to give the answer? Is there
Ma'am,
anyone?
Vanshika
Is
and
there any?
Sonam Yadav both are left.
Vanchika is here in the meeting.
Ma'am,
Vanchika.
In the
Shivang is
meeting,
also left.
Vanshika.
Ma'am, Shivang.
Okay, Shivang, I'll be asking the answer from each one of them. Right now, Vanchika is here. Shivang, you can you give an answer?
Ma'am, first is cutting off air supply, ma'am. Second is burning off the temperature,
Uh-huh.
and third is to to bringing down the temperature.
Bringing down the temperature. These are the three ways in which the fire can be put off. Very good, Shivang. Anyone else is left? Sonam
Okay, ma'am.
Yadav is here.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Sonam, can you give me the answer of how fire is a good servant?
What, ma'am?
Question number 5. Question number 5, beta. How fire is a good servant?
Can I tell?
Wait, Harsh.
Ma'am, exercise.
How fire?
Ma'am,
Yes.
uh, ma'am, when kept under control, fire help us to many things.
Huh?
We
Like?
we used to keep us warm during extreme winter.
Hmm. Okay. Anything else?
Ma'am,
Okay. Anyone else can give the answer for this one? Vanshika, can you give? Vanshika, you are here in the meeting. Can you give the answer, please? Vanshika, you're there? Okay, I think she is not here. Okay. Right. So, have you understood the question answers? All the question answers you have got?
yes,
Everyone?
ma'am.
So, yes. Are you all going to write it in your copies, revision copies?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, don't forget to do it in your revision copies. Okay. Okay, so next chapter that we have to start is meadow surprises. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to um, explain this poem right now, and then I'll give you few questions on meadow surprises. Tomorrow I'll give you the questions. Okay. Right now I'm just going to explain it. So today you will be doing the question answers of Fire, Friend, and Foe, and then tomorrow I will give you the question answers of meadow surprises. Okay. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
There are word meanings also written over here in this chapter, Fire, Friend, and Foe. Have you seen that? Yes. Smoldering means? Smoldering means?
Burning slowly without flame.
Yes, burning slowly without flame. Have you seen the coal, how it smolder? Coals without fire,
Yes.
they get ignited without
Yes.
fire, right? That is smoldering. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, so this is what smoldering means. Then, what is to generate?
Ma'am, produce.
To produce. Then, next is add fuel to the flames. It is an idiom. Okay? Add fuel to the flames means
Say something
that
or
makes,
do something that makes people react more strongly and fiercely.
हाँ कैस कि वो बोलते हैं ना कि अच्छा आग में तेल डाल रहे हो है ना. That is Hindi कहावत है ना. That is English, the English medium of that. The same thing is you are adding fuel to the flames. That means इसमें already यहाँ पर मतलब झगड़ा हो रहा है, उस झगड़े में और कुछ बोल देना ताकि झगड़ा और बढ़ जाए. Okay, so that they started fighting more fiercely. Okay, did you get
मैम
that?
बहुत लोग ऐसा करते हैं मैम. मैम बहुत लोग ऐसा ही करते हैं मैम. कोई दो झगड़ रहे हैं मैम और जाके मैम झगड़ा देते हैं मैम.
Ashmeet has faced this thing.
मैम.
Okay. Okay, अच्छा नहीं. Okay, okay. I thought you have the experience. चलो. तो मतलब
I have the
you have experience. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So ऐसे कभी होता है कि if the two friends are fighting, the third one comes and tell अरे ये तो ये भी बोल रहा था तुम्हारे लिए. तो that is adding fuel to the flames. That is a idiom.
मैम मेरे और नितिन के पीछे बहुत लोगों ने बोला था मैम 5th क्लास में.
Okay. Okay, forget about the old things. Okay, जो हुआ so हुआ, and next thing should be good. Okay, the things that are coming up should be good. So now we are more understanding, more friendly than earlier, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we should not fight with each other, and we should not add fuel to the flames. Okay, this is something very bad, very bad. We should try to make up the things between the two people if it is going bad, isn't it? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So adding fuel to the flame is an idiom to say something or to make people react more strongly and fiercely. Then smothered means smothered means
The crust.
suffocated,
Suffocated.
because of lack of the air.
Yes.
Okay, so when the smoke is
मैम कैसे घुटन होने लगती है मैम सांस
Yes, yes. When any place is filled with smoke, the people started getting feeling smothered. Okay, so that is because of the lack of air. Then extinguish means to put out.
Ma'am, put out. Put out.
Yes, put out. Then next is
Ma'am,
bands.
bands. Group.
Yes,
Group.
means group.
Group.
Equipments,
Things needed.
things needed. So if what are the things needed for putting off the fire?
Ma'am, fire extinguisher.
Fire extinguisher, then buckets filled with water.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, then
Ma'am, ladders. Ma'am, ladders to ma'am go at a higher place.
yes, extinguishers, and yes, and what else you said?
Ladders.
Ladders to go to the higher places. Yes, correct. And first aid box, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. First
Huh.
aid
So
box.
these are the equipments used for wherever the fire is caught. Which if the place has caught the fire, we need all these things, equipments to put off the fire. Okay, then what does cope means?
Ma'am, cope means deal with, manage.
Yeah, that means to deal with the things or to manage with the things. So that means if the humans are, for example, humans are coping with the uh,
Animals.
with the disasters disasters of
Ma'am, with the floods or the cyclones.
disaster of or with natural disasters, maybe with natural, okay, natural disasters. Okay, so humans are coping with it, they are dealing with it, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so this is what coping means. Okay, so I think only 2-3 minutes are left because it's 12:36, so you have to get ready for the next class. So tomorrow I will start with the meadows surprises. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
right
Okay,
children,
ma'am.
so tomorrow we'll start with the meadow surprises. If you have not given the attendance in the message box, please give it and complete the question answers that I have given. Read the chapter which we have just done, and if you have any problem, any queries regarding the chapter, please feel free to ask. Okay everyone, have a great day ahead and complete all your work.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, the fifth period is from 12:05 to 12:45. Ma'am, 40 minutes ka.
12:45, so I think 4-5 minutes are left. So if you have not given the at attendance, you can give it right now. If you have any question, you can ask me right now. Okay, because
Okay,
for
ma'am.
I cannot explain the poem in 2 minutes, right? Because it will take more than 10 to 15 minutes it will take to finish a poem. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
right, so I will not start with the poem right now, and only few 12, already 12:38, 39, 40 it will, the period will over. So 5 minutes I'm giving you to take a little break, short break, to have some water and be ready for the next class. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
okay everyone, right, so everyone has given the attendance in the message box.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Take
Okay,
care, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
okay, and
Thank
please
you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
and please attend all the classes, don't bunk any of the classes. I should not listen from any teacher that this child is not coming in my class. Okay, be regular in and be present in each and every classes. Okay, right children. Okay, thank you everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.